This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, March 26th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness over the state of Iowa and off to the west with a storm system that'll be skirting just south of the state with a little bit of light snow over the southwest and severe weather over the deep south. Here's the watch warning map from last evening. Severe thunderstorm watch south of the well to the south is until 6 in the morning. Winter weather advisories to the south in Missouri and to the west in Nebraska and into the Dakotas. Here's the QPF chart. This is precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. You can see heaviest precipitation will be to the south and west, but this does not take into consideration what this shows. This is the 5-day snowfall accumulation from the GFS. This shows possibly upwards of a foot of snow is possible, and this is with the storm that you will see on the model runs coming up on Tuesday. And here is the GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. A zonal flow over the country with the trough well to the east and well to the west. Down below at the surface, low pressure over northeastern Texas. That'll keep a lot of the precipitation south of the state. There could be a few flurries, but the dry east wind is going to keep the state mainly dry. Here's Sunday. Still precipitation to the west and well to the southeast. Will remain dry. This will be the driest of the 2 days of this weekend. We head to Monday, and you can see precipitation developing out to the west. Maybe a few flurries out over the far western counties of the state. Otherwise, it'll be mainly dry. And now we head to Tuesday. Here comes a vortex over Kansas and a little bit of a trough. This is going to be the storm system that we saw earlier with the snowfall accumulation. You can see here low pressure over about Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri border. That could mean some heavy snow possible just south of the state over northern Missouri, northeastern Kansas. This is 7 p.m. Tuesday evening. The low is now to southeastern Missouri, south of St. Louis. That could mean some heavy snow over southeast Iowa, exactly where that GFS snowfall accumulation showed. This is 1 in the morning on Wednesday. You can see the low deepening over about Terre Haute, Indiana. The heaviest snow is moving out of the state, and by 7 o'clock Wednesday morning, the snow is departing the state. So the heaviest snow with this run looks to be between about 1 p.m. Tuesday afternoon and about 3 or 4 a.m. Wednesday morning. We move ahead. This is Thursday at 1 p.m. You can see nothing of interest. Here's Friday. Storm system may clip us with a few sprinkles or maybe a light snow shower to the northeast. Here's Saturday. Nothing excitement. Some precipitation to the east and west, and dry and warmer over Iowa. We move ahead Voodoo Country. This is Tuesday, April the 5th. Fairly zonal flow, a little bit of a trough out just west of the state. Down below at the surface, low pressure about where it is this coming Tuesday, but it'll be slightly warmer, so most of that could be rain, maybe snow in the far northern northwest. Here is Friday, April 8th. Oh my! Big, huge vortex over the center part of the country. Down below at the surface, low pressure over west of Lincoln, Nebraska. That could mean some thunderstorms with the warm air streaming in from the south. That could be very warm. That could be our next severe weather chance. And at the end of the forecast period on Sunday, April the 10th, trough out over the east and zonal for the western 2/3 of the country. Down below, dry and cooler as that one storm system moves away with another one off to the west. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.